The views and comments of the hosts and guests are not necessarily those of the station.
Good afternoon, DZRJ, 810 AM. The voice of the Philippines proudly brings you Revolution Per Minute. Talk about human interests and life's lessons.
Good afternoon, Philippines, and welcome to Revolutions Per Minute. My name is Coach Mel Orosa.
So in this Congress, when is this going to be? Can you tell our
Tobacco
listeners?
Congress 2013 is the ultimate weight loss expo in the Philippines. We have counterparts in Kuwait, offshore New Zealand, and Auckland, New Zealand. This is happening worldwide already, and this is the first in the Philippines. It's never late. So this is happening on July 26 to 28, Hall A of World Trade Center. So from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So that's the details.
Okay,
And
I'll give you free time to promote.
And it's free entrance. Everybody is welcome, from 0 age to 9.
zero age is still unborn,
Yes,
right?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. You know, if you'd like to address obesity, then you have to address the parents before that.
Yes.
Yeah, they say
Because
that if
I cannot starve myself, and my parents are always telling me to, you're starving yourself. You shouldn't do that.
This must be the reason why when you're fat and you get pregnant and you keep on eating what you're eating, the same thing goes to your baby, and the baby is
That's right.
predisposed
Yes.
to obesity.
That's good.
Early education.
Okay.
That's the only inheritance I can give to my child. Obesity.
How about
That's your legacy.
How about you, Chris? Is there anything you'd like to say to our listeners?
All right. Impact Magazine June issue is now on the newsstand. So for all of those people who are listening and playing golf or want to get into the sport of golf, that's a nice way to maintain your weight and activity. Grab a copy of Impact Golf in any of the major bookstores. And of course, for those who are interested in joining a modeling agency, I will be your professional manager. Just look for us on Twitter. We're Ideal Models International.
So we can make
There.
we can recommend some of our friends.
That's right.
And Coach Mel's, how do you call the one being coach? Coaches?
Coachy.
Coaches.
Coachee.
Or client.
Because
clients.
this is a lifestyle too. Modeling
Okay.
is a lifestyle.
And-
it
and
involves.
Do you need a full body picture, or did you just want the face or sideways?
Well, we'll just look at your Facebook.
Please don't look at mine. You'll never get me if you look there.
All right. Other than that, we have other advocacies like for wellness organization worldwide. Again, we'd like to invite you to the Tobacco Congress, and later in the year, we'll also have our own wellness congress.
Very good.
Yes,
Very
for
good.
inquiries and reservations, please go to our website www.tabaccongress.com or just dial the numbers 403-5533.
You're most welcome to announce your sponsors.
It's all right.
Okay.
I'm so...
So you've got the Department of Health, the Department
Yes.
of Education, the Department of Agriculture, and I hope you will be able to get in touch with the Department of Science and Technology because they
Yes,
promote
soon.
nutrition.
We should have
I want
we
to
should
get
have a
a-
department of fun, right?
Yeah.
I want to get a department
After all,
store in
it's more
Especially
fun
now
in the
that it's more fun in the
Yeah,
Philippines.
if it's more fun in the Philippines, you should have a department for fun. Anyway, final words, Jackie.
Anyway, congratulations on this initiative,
Thank
Tobacco
you, thank
Congress. This is you're on your way. We are all on. We must empower ourselves to fight this fight against the fat. So, Miss Grace, the reason why Grace became fat is because of a broken heart. But this broken heart can lead to many other broken organs, like like the liver, the heart, the arteries, the joints, pancreas. It can lead to other diseases. So it's the time to start it is now.
Yes.
If you think you are fat, there's no other way to combat it. But you have to make that decision to fight it, and the time to start it is now.
And we are here to help you out.
So join them in the Tobacco Congress. Everybody's invited. And thank you for joining us on this another edition of Revolutions Per Minute. We hope to we hope you will join us again next week, next Saturday.
Conrad?
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to thank our guests. They've been so willing to come, even though it's a Saturday, to promote the TABA Congress. I'm very much interested in this Congress because it fits very well into the wellness advocacy that we've started over 5 years ago with Chris over here. And the fact that Chris has not forgotten the initial salvo on our wellness advocacy and is willing to put in her time and effort to support the TABA Congress is I'm very appreciative of the gesture.
Thank you so
And
much.
I'd like to thank most especially Carlo, the bitter husband, the ex-boyfriend, for being supportive and testifying to the fact that yes, you can be healthy, you can support a healthy lifestyle. And of course, I'd like to welcome back our poster girl for positive thinking. I always associate you for personality development and effectiveness because that's the material that you have been working on. And I know you just came from a vacation. For people in the corporate world, taking a vacation is not an easy job. I was just reading the column of my former boss, Tony Sampson.
It's not a job, it's a vacation.
But you know, it is a very stressful
Yes.
thing because if you're taking time out of your office, you have the responsibility to report back what you have done during your vacation. And in today's world, if you're an executive, it's not enough that you went out for 2-3 weeks. You have to say that you have been to Paris, and Paris is not even an important destination anymore. You've got to show that you have ridden a camel or something. And when you take your pictures and post them, according to Tony Sampson, you should not take a shoot of your face. You've got to show the background, Carlo.
Instant photography lessons.
Because you have to show where
Nobody
you have
wants to
been.
look at your face.
Yeah, the place is very important, and Coach Ben is looking at me, is looking at the clock as well. But this episode of RPM is another way of trying to advocate how to accelerate life. And I hope for those people who wanted to slow down a little bit, that they are doing this within the purview of wanting to be healthy and well. So we'd like to invite you to the TABA Congress on July 26 to 28. Please come and share the fun. I'm sure there'll be a lot of exhibitors there where you can pick few stuff to support
There'll be
your-
food sampling, yes.
the food
Yes,
sampling,
Healthy food.
Yes.
hopefully healthy food.
Healthy options.
Thank you, Coach Mel.
Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Thank you so much for our guests, Grace Vergara and Chris and Carlos Guerrero, for gracing our show and telling us how nice it is to be fat, but then you have a choice and then things can be better. Okay, because that's what it's about here. Revolutions per Minute is about choice. And somewhere along the line, we kind of ask ourselves, are we fat by choice? And whose choice is it? Is it society's choice? Is it your parents' choice? Is it your friend's choice? Whose choice is it that you are in this shape? At the end of the day, it's your choice. So if you want to have a little change in your life, you got to first make the move to choose a better life. And a better life could be a healthier life. It doesn't mean you're thinner, it just means you're healthier. And joining the TABA Congress might just give you that awareness to bring you up to what's happening in the world and the choices that you have. You know, don't let these advertisers and these media, you know, and Chris's models showing you that thin is the best way to be, you know. That might be for something else, but it influences you. And sometimes at the end of the day, you choose to eat. You choose to eat nice. Like me, I have a problem eating because when I was growing up, there was a problem with food. So if I see food now, I kind of eat it. But, you know, I am fat by choice because Like I said, nobody has put food in my mouth except me. So if I choose to be thinner, I can just choose the food that I put in my mouth. Nobody has fed you for a long time, so it's about time you get to choose the food that you put inside. You can choose the healthy, or you can choose the healthier. Okay, and once again, this is Coach Mel Arosa, your life coach within reach. You can text me at 0907-592-1252 or email me at orosamel@gmail.com or visit my website www.lifeengineeringasia.com. And once again, if you have free time next week, please listen to us again, because I think Marlin will be back. And let's give her a warm welcome. Let's give her balloons and all these things. And let's all call in and greet her, welcome back. And so we can make her feel that, you know, you've been away too long. So it's about time you came back. Thank you, Philippines, for listening to Revolutions Per Minute. We'll see you next week. Bye, Philippines. Want to announce anything else? Yeah, you can.
You have been listening to Revolution Per Minute.